Hello viewers, now we are living in digital India, means everything has come online. Like if you want to open your account, then you can open your account by the help of your mobile phone. You can pay or receive money by the Paytm, Phone Pay, Google Bank and etc. Also you can be connected to your bank by online website of that bank. If we will talk about this time, then everyone know that this is COVID pandemic time and everything is closed for 1 year, like school, college, coaching institutes and shops, and no one is allowed to go outside without emergency. Only hospital medicals and general store shops and ration distribution shops are allowed to be open. And due to this crisis, education system is come online. We know there is some disturbance, but we should take precautions and take care of it, because something is better than nothing. Because whatever we are getting, we should be used that time to betterly, and if we will take precautions, then everything will be like before 2020 and we will spend our life like before 2020. Social media and social sites play very important role in today's life. Social media is web-based tool enable people to discover and learn new information and share ideas, interact with them and new people and new organizations also. And also these sites makes communication too easy. There are lots of websites, but I like to explain about these websites in two parts. First part consists Shadi.com, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. For sale old things, we have OLX, and to sell or purchase old cars, we have cardekho.com. And the amazing fact is we have separate websites for separate things. Let's talk about second part. Second part consists of sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google and Microsoft, etc. Let's talk about Facebook. This site was invented by Mark Zuckerberg. It is an American website. It is most famous site, and it is a networking site to connecting your friends, relatives and any known and unknown person. Next we will talk about Twitter and Instagram are also networking sites. In India, Twitter is most used by politicians, celebrities, and we can see here lots of controversies happens on it. WhatsApp, we all know about WhatsApp, and also we uses these sites and app. In this app, we can connect to whom person, whose number and contact name and contact number we have saved in our phone, mobile phone, Android phone. I think everyone know about Microsoft and Google. These are most valuable companies. These are world #1 research engines. These companies CEO are Satya Nadella is CEO of Microsoft, third CEO of Microsoft. And Sundar Pichai had joined as a manager in 2004. After that, right now he is CEO of Google. One of most important thing I like to share with you, and it's great pleasure to be us and our country and to be India. This is, they both are Indians. According to me, viewers, without these sites, we can't imagine our life in nowadays. It makes our life easy to live. And friends, and so goodbye viewers, and take care of yourself and keep watching English strength.